Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. To all of my lovely friends and family, I hope you are in the best of Iman. Today, bi'idhnillahi ta'ala, I'm going to be sharing with you how I made this home-made Suya lamb burger. It is very easy and fast to make, and it can be used for your iftar during the Ramadan. Trust me, the kids love this and they request for more of it. Don't let me take too much of your time. Let's start cooking. Bismillah. All you need is 1 kg of minced lamb, 3 small sizes of onions, although I end up using 2. The list of the season will be added to the description section. First thing to do is to prepare the meat. Whenever I'm using minced meat, I need to rinse it. See the amount of blood. I can never do without rinsing my meat. Even this one is not rinsed properly. I still need to do it under running water to get all the blood out. Next is to dice the onions. Add the season. So you start mixing. Actually, the kid is mixing it. This recipe can be used for Ramadan. Next is to shape your burger. While that is going on, you need to oil brush the grill. I was told to use the burger press by my young chef. We kept using burger sheets, and this is what happened. For me, using the burger press, I thought the burger would be too big for the bun, but it was actually right because it told me that the burger is going to shrink, and it does. Anyway, all of the burgers were shaped with the hand except for one. I hope you can figure that one out from the video. Anyway, after shaping the burger, it is very important that you make a little tiny hole in the burger. This will allow the burger to breathe and it will not be too hard. This is the end result of my burger. I think it's coming out nice. The sauce that I'm using in my burger is burger and barbecue sauce. I'm sorry, I didn't have a video of how the bun was toast on the grill and how I make my egg. You can add any vegetable of your choice. Add my sauce. Homemade burger is ready. Alhamdulillah, this is how we make our homemade Suya lamb burger. It was really delicious. Jazakumullahu khairan for watching. I hope you learned 1 or 2 things from this video. If you do, kindly like, share, comment and subscribe. Your support are all appreciated. Till next video, I leave you in the care of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Stay blessed and safe. Lot of love. IWHAT.